So what's up guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm gonna explain why I took these two trades. Lately, since around January, February, I've been swing trading, and in this video I'm gonna explain why I took these trades, these trades and how much I made on it, and etc. I did not take any partials on these trades. Why? Just because I was super confident in these eco highs slash relative eco highs, so I was really confident in that. So I was not willing to partial anything. My TP hit today, this morning. So yeah, let's get into it. So as you guys know, I trade the inversion fair value gap model, so I only take inversion fair value gap. So that's also what my entry model is and why I took these trades. So first, uh, we are still, in my opinion, in a bull run. We're not done yet, so I was still looking for longs. Ethereum had such a crash of around like 60-ish, 65%, sweeping all these eco lows out. Look at these eco lows. Right, where is it? Not here. But what? Am I stupid? Oh, right here. We made eco lows right here, so I knew we were gonna sweep them. They got swept, tapped all of this, even swept this low. If you look at the monthly, all of this monthly got taken out. This did not get taken out, but it was all fine for me just because of the reaction we had. We still respected this monthly order block, this monthly fair value gap, and just all in general a super nice reaction. Then I went to the weekly. The weekly gave me such a nice first entry to take this straight towards these eco highs for around 9R. As you can see, really nice gap, really nice size of the gap, really nice momentum, one singular candle. My break even point for this trade was this monthly imbalance or this monthly fair value gap. Um, yeah, that was my first trade. When it hit the monthly fair value gap, I went break even, and yeah, was just never came back to my break even. So a really nice trade. After that, we were just pumping up, pumping up. We were respecting this bearish fair value gap, but I was really confident in my bias and in my draws on liquidity, which are these relative eco highs and obviously all-time highs and even higher in my opinion. But I just want to take profits here. Don't want to be greedy. Um, yeah, so we were respecting this bearish fair value gap, but I was still looking for longs. After such a nice accumulation, such a AMD profile, in my opinion, we had another entry. Let me look. AMD. You can literally see it. Accumulate, manipulate into the weekly fair value gap, and distribute higher. So, yeah, just accumulation. The weekly fair value gap was right here. I scaled down to the daily time frame. Super nice low, nice sweep, nice reaction. Um, I took a second entry on this fair value gap, or yeah, also this one, of course. All of them had to be inversed. My break-even point was this high, basically this high, because after this high, I moved my stop loss below this OB because I did not want price to come back and resweep this low in the fair value gap. So that's why I trailed my stop loss there. And after we took out this high into the new fair value gap, I went stop loss to break even, and it made it a risk-free trade again. After that, I was still looking for longs because I was super confident in my bias and my draw on liquidity, because in my opinion, it's not going to be a bull run without Ethereum performing well as well. So I was still looking for longs. I scaled down to the lower time frame after we tapped this nice daily fair value gap. I was still looking for long, so I was willing to add more into my positions. I was already in pretty big, but my stop losses were at break even, so it didn't really matter. I could just get more entries if possible. We gotta tap into that daily fair value gap with a nice internal sweep right here. Again, super nice inversion fair value gap right here. So I took that entry. Let me do it like this. Super nice inversion fair value gap again right there. Stop loss at break even at this high. At this high. So my trade looked around something like. Wait one sec. My trade looked like this, and then TP all the way up right there. But unfortunately, we got stopped break even, so I just, yeah, that doesn't matter. We got stopped break even, stops to break even right here, ran up, broke me even, ran even more up, and then got back to my break even. No worries. So yeah, this is also something I took, but yeah, I just didn't make any profit, so that's no worries. I'm just skip that. But after that, I was still looking for longs. Why? Because I was so confident in the draw on liquidity being these relative eco highs. So as you can see, it's like August right now. I entered this trade in April, so it's been like I've been in this trade for a while, and the second trade for more than a month also. So I was, at least I closed all my positions. Um, then I went back to the daily and the weekly. As you can see, we made a new weekly fair value gap. So in my opinion, we could get like I was thinking something like this: retrace and back higher, which we actually had. So I went to the 4 hour time frame, or like to the daily first. To the daily first, I wanted to get this low to get swept. After that, I went to the 4 hour time frame, and again a really nice fair value gap. I did not take this one because, in my opinion, I was just too heavy in the gap. In my opinion, I just wasn't confident enough in taking this small of a gap. Maybe if you had something like this into this fair value gap, taking out this low. But in hindsight, really nice trade again. If someone took this, I could have taken it, but I was already in pretty big, and I just don't well, I was nah I was for me it was not worth to add even more in my position on this small of a gap. But this trade super amazing. Break even at this high, and yeah, that was a really nice trade. After that, I saw this playing out, and I saw this daily inversion fair value gap as well. Um, So I was maybe thinking about adding maybe on there, and stops really tight. But it was a 1.6 R, really nice R of course, but I don't know, I just wasn't like I didn't want to put more money in. I was already fine with these two positions and they were still running. So I did not take this, but this was also a really nice continuation. This is also a really nice continuation play if you wanted to take that. But like, why would I? Because everyone, when I took my trades, everyone was talking bad and talking bad about crypto and the bull run being over. Why did I not care about people talking random stuff on the internet and on Twitter? I did not care. Why? This is my model, and I've been like swinging around for like since February, and I've been doing really good with swing trading as well. So I was just following my rules. Especially in my opinion, the bull run, we were in April of 2025. The bull run was not over for me. I was still looking for higher prices. I still had a lot of crypto in my portfolio, so I was not looking uh, for Ethereum to go even lower. Especially with this momentum, I was fine with taking this risk, putting a bit risk on the table, because like the break even is so quick. The break even is less than 1 hour. So I was really confident in an at least and break even trade. So I was willing to take that risk. And in my opinion, it just looked super clean. Also, last bull run, if you check the same date, that's how I was thinking, at least. Uh, April 14th, like it's 1 year after the halving, so around here. Look, we were still gonna have higher prices, maybe even a pullback, and then again higher prices. So I was pretty confident in Ethereum still going higher, especially with a Bitcoin chart looking so insanely strong. One sec, let me get that. Especially with a Bitcoin chart looking so incredibly strong. As you can see right here, super nice, super strong chart. I was still looking for higher prices on Bitcoin, and yeah, in my opinion, Ethereum should follow it, and it did. It's still, in my opinion, we are gonna go higher. Guys, don't forget, this is not financial advice. I just do this for on my own risk, and I know the risk I'm taking. And this video is just for educational purpose and entertainment purposes only. Um, But in my opinion, we will see higher prices. If not, I took my profits already. I took two amazing trades, making me around, I think it was 8.6k, uh, because I risked $500 per trade. And if you do the math, let me do it on my phone real quick. $500 times 9.1 plus that is 16.6 times 16.6, made me around this much. A lot of people will question if I actually took these trades. So right here, I'll show some screenshots of me posting it on Twitter on I think the 24th of April or 26th, I don't even know anymore, of me taking this trade, saying it on Twitter that I like this trade and I'm willing to take the risk on the setup. Also, some screens of me talking to my friends, talking about the setup, and me saying I actually like this setup. I am gonna take these, and I'm super confident in these setups working out. So yeah, here are some screenshots, and let's get back to the video. Around that, a little bit more maybe, I don't know, was around 8.6k I think it was. So yeah, that were my Ethereum trades. I took two insane long positions. I took a third one right here, but got broke even. So yeah, you can count that in, but I don't really care. So I did not take partial profits. A lot of people maybe take partial profits at this fair value gap, but in my opinion, we should just blast through this because these eco highs are so incredibly strong. People were like, this is a triple top, as you can see right here. First top, second top, and third top. Uh, in my opinion, that's just triple eco high, triple relative eco highs. Super nice draw on liquidity in the way I trade and I use my concepts. I trade ICT concepts. A lot of people hate on it. It works for me, so that's why what I trade. So I did not take any partial profits. I was maybe thinking about parceling here, but I was like, in my opinion, a bit of an emotional partial profit, just because I was up so much. So I did not. I stick to my rules. I stick to my plan, taking full profit around there, making me around 16.6 R. So yeah, guys, that was it, and thanks for watching, guys.